On this 2010 to 2016 Honda CR-V, B1235 points us toward the driver's air mix control motor circuit in the climate control system. In plain terms, the control unit may not be able to move or confirm movement of the driver's temperature, blend door the way it expects. The driver may notice poor temperature control, uneven cabin temperature, or a door that does not respond normally. Possible fault areas include the circuit wiring and connectors, the driver's air mix control motor, the linkage or door, and after those checks pass, the climate control unit itself. Start by verifying the fault. Clear the DTCs with the HDS, turn the vehicle OFF in lock mode, then turn it back on. Run the self-diagnostic function with the HDS or with the climate control unit, then check the codes again. If B1235 comes back, stay on this diagnostic path and move into the circuit checks. If it does not come back, treat it as an intermittent fault and inspect for loose wires or poor connections in the driver's air mix control motor circuit. Next, check the MHOT-DR or MHOT line for an open. Turn the vehicle OFF in lock mode. Disconnect the climate control unit 32P connector and the driver's air mix control motor 7P connector. Then check continuity between climate control unit 32P connector No. 13 and driver's air mix control motor 7P connector No. 7. If you have continuity, that wire is not open, so keep going. If you do not have continuity, repair the open in the wire between the climate control unit and the driver's air mix control motor. Now check the MCOOL-DR or MCOOL line the same way. With the vehicle still OFF in lock mode and both connectors still disconnected, check continuity between climate control unit 32P connector No. 14 and driver's air mix control motor 7P connector No. 6. If continuity is present, the MCOOL wire is not open and you can move on. If continuity is missing, repair the open between the climate control unit and the driver's air mix control motor. After both open checks pass, check the MHOT-DR or MHOT line for a short to ground. With the climate control unit 32P connector and the driver's air mix control motor 7P connector disconnected, check continuity between climate control unit 32P connector No. 13 and body ground. If there is continuity to ground, repair the short to ground in that wire between the climate control unit and the driver's air mix control motor. If there is no continuity, that line checks OK and you move to the next circuit. Now check the MCOOL-DR or MCOOL line for a short to ground. Check continuity between climate control unit 32P connector No. 14 and body ground. If there is continuity, repair the short to ground in the wire between the climate control unit and the driver's air mix control motor. If there is no continuity, the MCOOL line checks OK, so the next step is to test the driver's air mix control motor. With the circuit checks completed, test the driver's air mix control motor. If the motor tests OK, replace the climate control unit. If the motor does not test OK, replace the driver's air mix control motor or repair the driver's air mix control linkage or door, depending on what failed during that motor and door check. After the repair, verify it by clearing the code and repeating the same basic check. Cycle the vehicle OFF in lock mode and back on, run the self-diagnostic function, and confirm B1235 stays gone. The takeaway is simple. Prove the code is current. Check both motor control wires for opens, then shorts to ground, and only then judge the motor, linkage, door, or control unit. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.